Hi, I'm Cynthia Billy. I'm the Executive Director for the Wichita Tribe Industrial Development Commission. We are the economic development arm of the Wichita and affiliated tribes located in Anadarko, Oklahoma. So our main mission is to provide economic prosperity and opportunities to the Wichita and affiliated tribes through business expansion, retention, and workforce opportunities. So while we're here today we're celebrating the opening of our new building downtown. We're in the historic district, and one thing that my board of directors set for our organization a few years ago was to really prioritize our efforts in local community development. So one thing that has been really successful for us in local development has been real estate. So we started looking around, and instead of building new buildings, we wanted to work in line with the new City of Anadarko administration and leadership, and as far as their investment in revitalizing the community. So we started looking at existing buildings. We found this great spot downtown in Anadarko, and we began last September working with Travoy Architect firm out of Kansas City, Missouri, and Construction Unlimited out of Oklahoma City. So the project took about 8 months, but one reason why we felt like it was really important was that we wanted to create a presence and an image for the Wichita Tribe downtown in Anadarko, and we wanted it to be a really nice building. The tribe is growing with their grant programs. They had some programs that needed some office space. So by purchasing this building and remodeling it, we are able to provide space on the first floor to 2 programs, which is the RISE program, and also programs with a new grant called Native Connections. We really wanted to put a lot of thought and effort into this building because with the industry that we work in, when we bring people in, it's really a signal. We feel like our building is a signal of growth and success to the local community, but more importantly, our prospective clients. With the industry we work in, we bring people in, and as they say, your lobby is your first handshake, and it really needs to be, give off a reflection of capability and stability when we're going and looking at doing partnerships and stuff with people. The space also provides, we have a couple of project rooms where we can allow tribal members and other clients from the community or members of the community to come in, sit down, get on some laptops, do some resume building, apply for some jobs online. And we hope that as we grow, we will be able to, this space will be able to accommodate us adding on to our staff and creating jobs locally with providing support to our commercial businesses and our government contracting businesses.